So I've had some decent success starting YouTube channels. I have my own Twitch channel, which is monetized, and I partner with a business partner on another channel called The Modest Wallet, where we've also been monetized. Now, I don't have a ton of subscribers, I don't have a ton of views, but I have gotten two channels to be monetized, which is definitely no joke. It has taken a ton of hard work. So if you are someone thinking about starting a channel, it will definitely not be easy unless you are one of the lucky ones, but you will most likely have to put a lot of blood, sweat, and tears into this channel. I love it, so it's primarily the main reason why I do this. I want to help people make good financial decisions. I want to help them with their side hustles. I want to help them with their investments and budgeting. Now, the getting paid passively through having a channel is also a pretty sweet deal. In this video, I'm going to break it all down with how to start a channel, and I'm actually going to start a third channel on this video so that I can show you how. I will then share my strategy for monetizing, which essentially means you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. You can do it with shorts, but I didn't do it that way and I haven't done it that way. Personally, unless you're blowing up in your shorts, I think that's a little harder route to even take. And my goal is to then share how progress has been going with this third channel as well, so you can kind of see where we are and how it's turned out, if it's turned out well or not. Now that I hopefully hooked you in and you're going to start a channel, you're thinking about one, stay tuned so you can see what this third channel that I'm going to start is all about. All right, you're still here, which means you're probably serious about starting a YouTube channel. So first, the question is, why have a YouTube channel? Well, first off, it can be a lot of fun. Having a YouTube channel is definitely not my personality because I'm pretty quiet and intrinsic, but it definitely is a lot of fun to me and it's kind of an outlet. Second, it is just great to help people on a topic that I'm actually passionate about, and so hopefully I can be helpful to others. Third, you can make extra income through a variety of ways, driving traffic to your business if you have one. There's affiliate marketing, and obviously there's good old AdSense where you receive money for the views that you receive on your channel. Now, those are the basics. There are plenty of other avenues to take with a YouTube channel, but that sort of sums it up quickly. All right, let's get this channel started. Before I get the channel started or show you the process of starting a YouTube channel, I'm gonna first tell you what it is. And so my YouTube channel, my third YouTube channel, and I'm gonna be partnering with a friend as well, is all about sports cards, buying, grading, and selling sports cards. It's a side hustle that I've started, so I wanna kind of share how I do it, share some of my wins, my losses, and so that's what this third channel is going to be about. All right, so the first step is going to be creating a Gmail account. Google owns YouTube, so it's just best to create an account through your Gmail or through Gmail. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create an account for myself. Now, one mistake that I've made is I have made an account. Actually, I'm going to go back. I'm going to do it, create it as a business. Hopefully that's not going to create a problem. Let's go back in here and let's go to create account again. It's to manage my business. Let's see how that works. Still going to put my name. But the mistake I've made with my main channel is that it's my personal email. So if someone gets an email from me, it's going to say Gym Class Finance, Sean Lehman. So I didn't like that. And so I just haven't changed it because I feel like I might mess things up. So I haven't done that. But so definitely you want to create one that's going to be relevant to your business and not use a personal account, would be my advice. I'm going to create my own, and the channel is going to be called The Sports Card Teachers. So the sports card teachers at gmail.com, hit next. All right, now I'm going to create a password that I'll remember. So then I'll just use my backup. I'm going to go ahead and skip that part. So then we can go ahead then and review your account info, but I'm going to go ahead and hit next, go through all the privacy policies. and I'm going to agree, and I'm going to confirm. All right, so now your Google account is ready. Now set up your business. So I'm just going to go ahead to continue. And I'm going to find YouTube. I don't know why I just went down everywhere and saw it, but now I finally found it. I'm going to click on YouTube. So now we're now going to log into YouTube, and I'm wondering, I'm going to check, make sure we are signed in as what I think we're signed in as. Yep, the sports card teachers. Perfect. So then I'm going to click on this S up the top, and I'm going to click create a channel. All right, so we already have our email address that's associated with it. Now we're going to go ahead and create a channel. And as we're creating this channel, the name, we're going to be called the Sports Card Teachers. And the handle is going to be at the Sports Card Teachers. Easy enough. Then I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to, oh, they want us to upload a picture. So I will upload a picture. And I'm going to go into my folder and select the picture. Perfect. Done. Now I've went ahead and created that picture in Canva. Canva is huge. If you're an educator, it's free, but you might want to pay for it. You can also get the free version, but there's not as many things you can do with it. But I use Canva for so many things, and I highly recommend it because it is just, it's so helpful. So we're going to go to the next section. And it says your channel is being created. Check back in a few moments. So I'm not sure how long this is going to take, but I'll let you know as soon as we find out. Let's try refreshing. I'm going to go to my channel again. And here we are back to the channel. So I just had to click up here, and then I had to click on your channel, and that's what brought me to here. Now you can see the picture that I uploaded here, which is great. I'm gonna now, I kind of want to customize this. I'm gonna go to customize channel. Now I'm not gonna go through every little thing, but I am gonna show you kind of the basics. So welcome to YouTube Studio. And here's kind of the basic area, that the layout. And I recommend creating your channel on a desktop. It just makes it a lot easier as you're going through and creating your channel. So I'm going to close, and I'm going to hit close as well. So video spotlight channel, people who haven't subscribed, that's only have some videos. You can kind of organize your channel here, but we haven't really done anything. You might go to branding, and you can change your picture. I'm going to keep that as my picture for right now. And I want to create a banner image because that just looks good for the channel. So if I look at some of the pictures that I've created, I like this one. And I'm going to go ahead and click open. And so one thing that I'm going to have to go back and do is sometimes you have to make things compatible, the pictures compatible. So I'm going to try to slide this, but it does make it kind of challenging. I might have to go back and change this picture so that it fits the banner and is actually going to be viewable. If I can slide that over, I don't know if it's going to let me slide it over or not. The goal was to get that all to fit in this box right here. If you can get everything that you want to fit in the box, it'll show up on everything on any device. So I clearly didn't do that correctly, but I'll still have to go back and make it a little bit smaller so that it's going to work and is going to be compatible. So, but anyway, I'll at least just include what I have or what I can do for now. Let me expand that again. I'm going to actually go out and cancel. And let's just upload again. Let's try it again. Sorry, we're going a little all over the place, but let's try it again. And we'll just hit done. Now, like I said, I need to mess with that and change that a little bit. But as you can see, that's what it'll look like on the platforms that you would look at. And actually, it looks good there, but I don't know if it's actually going to work well otherwise. So I can then go and I can publish my banner image. I'm going to go to channel, and I'm going to see what it looks like after creating it. So there we are. I need to clearly change some things, make it easier, but that's what our banner looks like on a regular page. You can see the picture here, and you can see it up top there. Now I need to go and I need to customize this channel. I want to create the about. So what would I do? I go back into customize channel, and I would continue again. And I want to fill out all this basic information. So we've already done that. Description is very important. I can change my channel URL code so I can make it compatible with what I want it to say. Like I can make it youtube.com/at the sports card teachers. And that would be then my specific unique web address for my channel. So there's a lot of things I can do there. The branding, as I've already done, and the layout section, as I've already kind of said. This is some things that you'll work with once you have videos posted. So now all I need to do is create videos, create thumbnails, the pictures that go with the videos. I need to then put in all of the information regarding, making it searchable, all those things. That's all I need to do. And then my channel will be up and running and I will be ready to go. All right, so that's pretty much it. I apologize for the roughness of that video because a couple things didn't completely go correct, but it is very easy. Create a Gmail account and then literally open up YouTube, and once you're signed in, just click create a channel, and then you can pretty much just fill in the stuff self-explanatory. So hopefully that was helpful. Now back to our channel. I'd love for you to go ahead and take a look at the channel. It's The Sports Card Teachers, and that will be available pretty soon. I've got 4 videos that I've already recorded. I just need to then edit them. And what I like to do, and I think is super helpful, is before I just release one video, I'm going to release 4 videos at the same time. I have done some research and have found that releasing 4 videos to start out is just going to be good for the algorithm. And it's what a lot of people have said has helped them to be successful. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll then need to, once again, create the thumbnails, which I've already have done. I'll need to create the titles. Those are the 2 really important things. There's also keywords that you want to make sure that you are considering. You want to make sure you have a nice description that is searchable. All these things are so important for making your videos searchable, findable on YouTube. As I've may have said in the past, the reason YouTube's so powerful is that it's the second biggest search engine in the world, and Google's the first, and Google owns YouTube, so they're connected. You can find video content on Google. You can find YouTube videos on Google. So that is why I just think it's such a powerful tool and why I recommend everyone to start a YouTube channel. So I didn't go into all the intricacies of it quite yet. If this video draws some interest, then I will definitely go ahead and share how you do all the little behind the scene things as you're getting the channel ready. But I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to be a resource for you, as I've been doing this several years now, and I'm just finally starting to see the fruit of all the hard work that I've been putting into this. Please let me know your channel's name in the comments below. Give yourself a little shout out or a potential channel name. Put it in the comments below. And if you have any other questions, please ask. Because remember, this is a side hustle. That's why I did this video. It's because it is related to side hustles and how you can make some extra money, which is what this channel, a big part of what this channel is all about. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.